Nerdism.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Infinite Nerdism. I have my very first Poptopia unboxing right there, number 24. I went ahead and brought out my Kobe's right there to help me with the good luck on this number 24 box. Is it focusing? There it is. So originally I was going to pick number 13. Happy Friday the 13th to everybody out there. And because my birthday, 13. Wasn't available. Tried to get 50. Wasn't available. Tried to get 26 for my son's birthday. Wasn't available. So I saw 24 and I was like, okay, Kobe Bryant, Mamba mentality, 24, let's do this. I did see last night, though, that somebody who pulled number 50 got the Freddie Flux exclusive 400 piece, and that blew my mind. So that's out of the question. This is the box that had Freddie Flux. It had Ochako San Diego Comic-Con, which I already have, and it had the metallic Vegeta, and it had He-Man, and it also had the Big Bang Theory exclusive Star Trek one, I think. So Poptopia, I've never heard of it before. They take 100 boxes every Wednesday and Sunday at 2 p.m. Central Time. They release it online. First 100 people get it. And you can pick a number, whatever number box you want. They're all random. And you just play your luck. Pretty much you can get up to 5 grails sometimes. About 40 chases are available and 55 exclusives. And they also give you a common with one of those. So the boxes are one of those and then a common. So hopefully there's something good in this 24 box. Fragile right here, obviously. So I have my Why So Serious knife right there. Let's get this open. I'm super excited. As long as I get something I don't have or I can give to my wife, then it's been a good day. So let's go ahead and do this. And as I do this, I love watching these unboxings on other channels. You know, I watch like Top Pops and Funko Pop Central and stuff like that. Pretty cool unboxing. Mystery unboxings for those guys. Just try not to slice your hand off. Okay. And what I'll do is I'll show you the piece of paper that's in here. Show it to the camera before anything else. And then I will just randomly reach in and grab them. So, okay. I don't want to look down. Okay, so piece of paper. I don't want to look. Put there. Is that? Am I holding it up right? I don't know. Keep going. So let's toss that. I don't want to know what that is. So let's go. Look at this. So we got 2 soft protectors. Okay. So first one, I'm trying to see. I already kind of see it, but Care Bear. Okay. Well, I'm not gonna. I don't even. My wife doesn't even like Care Bears. I don't even know what to do with this. We'll put that right there, number 24. Number 24. One that I don't have. Cool. So I go down here, and it is Elton John, FY exclusive. I saw a lot of these when they first came out, and I thought they looked interesting, right? The glitter on it. So it's pretty cool. It's one that I don't have. Pretty great musician. Number 24. So that's pretty much it. I'll try another one out because Poptopia, people usually have good luck with Poptopia. I have no big problem with this box. It's just I don't know what to do with this Care Bear, though. See if my wife likes it. I doubt it. My son's not into Care Bears. So Elton John, number 24. No grail this time. No chase this time. But that will not stop me from grabbing another one of these because I've seen a lot of cool stuff from them. And should have grabbed that number 50 when I wanted it. Would have got the Freddie Flux. Follow me on Instagram at Infinite Nerdism right across the bottom here. Please subscribe to the channel, Infinite Nerdism, right down below. Subscribe, please. My dog Butters will thank you if you subscribe and follow on those things. So until next time, y'all have a good one.